Life is only one, and the challenges are many. The people who can only dream, who are ignored and who are by name called as the underprivileged. Those who are still in crisis.
We do not hesitate to help the children who are deprived and less fortunate.
We envision a society where all indigent, less abled and aged have equal opportunity to develop.
Kindness is the greatest wisdom.
If you light a lamp for somebody, it will lighten your path also.
I am not the only one, but still I am someone. I cannot do everything, but still I can do something. I will not refuse to do the something I can do.
Diya Foundation about 10 years back started with a small school of 20 children, but now they have more than 500 children and in the slum colony, and they have given education to thousands of other children.
Children, they need education. Diya Foundation, with the support of Care and Concern Foundation, aims at imparting knowledge by helping the children from urban slums and vulnerable communities to move on in life. Chetan Vidya Mandir is one such example, committed towards providing quality education.
पहले इनको हिंदी पढ़ना आता था, लेकिन आज वो प्रॉपर इंग्लिश पढ़ते हैं। मैं इस चेतन विद्या मंदिर स्कूल का धन्यवाद करता हूँ कि हमारे बच्चों को बहुत अच्छी शिक्षा प्राप्त हो रही है।
Diya Playway School is yet another establishment by them, imparting knowledge to the little kids between the age group of 3 to 5 years. Providing support to the differently abled is a big challenge. Working towards the development of such people, these foundations are proud to be associated with Sakar, a school for mentally handicapped children. Providing them with free tape recorders and other accessories, the support is extended to Sakar for its activities and programs.
We are helping certain less abled people, and the list is endless.
Old age requires attention, love, and a lot of care. Having had seen all the phases in life, and after doing so much for their families, the elderly need to be treated properly. Because it's time to care for them who cared for us.
Apart from education and Medicare, we also have been helping old age homes to give them a chance in their life.
The foundations propagate the welfare of the aged by supporting various old age homes, providing timely meals and medication.
दिया फाउंडेशन वाले हमारी बहुत हेल्प कर रहे हैं। दवाइयाँ हम वहीं से लाते हैं आँखों के लिए, और आँखें टेस्ट करानी मुफ्त में करते हैं, सब कुछ मुफ्त में सारा काम करते हैं हमारा।
It is health that is the real wealth.
Spreading awareness about the health issues and hygiene, and especially about HIV, done through the call centers. In a bid to support rural unemployed women and girls, the Vocational Training Center run by these two NGOs proposes to provide training in tailoring, beauty culture, home science, and arts and crafts. Special classes are planned to impart computer education as well. Focusing on the women empowerment and family intervention, a project of Samajik Suvidha Kendra, Mission Convergence by the Delhi government, has also been initiated, one of which is managed by Diya Foundation. The foundations will cater to approximately 1 lakh slum people. Celebrate Life, a joint campaign by both the foundations, is a nationwide campaign that supports the underprivileged children who suffer from chronic diseases. Under this scheme, the children are provided with the financial support for the costly surgical procedures they have to undergo. The plans are, however, to extend the Celebrate Life campaign across all the major districts of India in the coming years. The estimation says around 836 million Indians survive on just ₹20 per day. 212 million Indians are undernourished, and over 7,000 people in India die out of hunger every day. With this, an all-new endeavour, War Against Hunger, proposed by the Diya Foundation in association with the Care and Concern, is ready for action. The main aim of this project is to save the lives of hungry people and the malnourished children in India. Come, be the light to as many little faces as you can, because sharing a little part from your happiness will not cost you much, but it will only make you a wealthier person.
मैं दिया फाउंडेशन की मदद इसलिए कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैंने जो उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में देखा है वो इतना अच्छा है कि गरीब बस्तियों से बच्चों को उठाना, उनको पढ़ाना, उनको किताबें लेके देनी, उनको अच्छे कपड़े लेके देने। उन्होंने हर तरह से हर बच्चे को कोशिश की है कि ये बच्चा ऊंचे से ऊंचे स्तर पर आ जाए।